Lalakad lang tayo.
Wow, what a lovely day. Granite view.
Yan.
Lovely houses. On the beach of Asakawa.
It's a lot high, that's why.
Beautiful. Look at the houses. Look at the houses.
This is the houses. Low tide today.
This is the best time. 6 o'clock in the morning to go walking. 6 o'clock, yeah.
Yan.
Beautiful.
Lalakad kami ngayon kasi low tide. Tignan nyo ang haba ng urong ng tubig. Normally, hanggang dito lang yung hanggang dito yung tubig. Ayan. Pero dahil low tide, kaya ang layo. Ang layo ng tubig. Tignan yung lawak ng may nagtitinda ng isda, ayan. Sumisigaw. Nagtitinda ng isda, yan, mga yan. Ito ang kabuuan ng Hindi pa kami umuwi ng Tagaytay, kaya nandito pa rin kami. Bukas kami uuwi ng umaga. Look, look at this. See, normally the water is there. Ayan. Normally yung tubig hanggang dito. Ayan. Ayan. Pero
I don't like this. It's actually very easy to walk and it's very cool.
Ayan.
You know, it's like heat.
Doon may nagtitinda. Haba, oh. Ang low tide niya layo. It's like to walk here. Compare them.
This is nice compared to yesterday.
Yeah?
You know, you can walk easy, no problem, on your feet.
Yeah.
Fresh and cool.
Saturday ngayon eh. Today is Saturday, so we decided to go walking. Yeah. We just woke up. Na maano pa yung mata ko. Ang ganda-ganda ng guys. Mga kapatid. Ikot ko kayo ha. Ayan, iikot ko kayo. Doon kami nang galing. Ayan, eto yung condo. Condo yan. Ayan yung mga bahay. Ang gaganda ng bahay. Ang dalaki. Yung mga bahay dito. Sa taas ng bundok. Ikot ko kayo muna. Tignan nyo, ayun, may bahay pa rin isa doon, napakalaki. Ayan, nakala mo parang mall. Kami doon sa dulo kasi low tide. Yung pala yung nakikita ko. Ay, may taho! Oh. May taho! I forget. You know what, Scott? It's nice to see because they have own small shop. Ang daming ano, sila yung mga ano. Dito hindi maganda ang ano, buhangin. Ang daming shell na maliliit. Ay kaya may mga shell. Kami sa dulo. Sa dulo niyan, ang daming bato. Ito dating resorts to eh. Yan. Public resorts. Ngayon, pero hindi kanila itong resorts na yan. So, yung totoong may-ari, naalis na sila dyan. Pero noong araw, ginawa nilang public to. Itong ano na to. Ang daming tao dito. Private resorts to. Ayan. Kaya, sarado na sila. Sayang, ang daming tubo. Sana habang hindi pa naman ginagamit, pinabayaan na lang nilang gamitin to at paupahan. This is very, very, no, there are too many rooms here. Look at what happened.
It's all in disrepair. It's all fucked off. The roof's gone. Roof's gone.
Yeah, because nobody is using now. So,
Nobody take care.
I think there's somebody owned this land and maybe these people is renting this property and they decided to sold to the big company. The problem is there's no way. They're very dangerous, isn't it? Wait a minute. I don't know that. Don't throw because somebody. I think it's good.
Happiness profound is all I want to say. Singing songs, making friends, that's what I do.
Let's put there in the.
Travel, it's all for you. Live life and travel is a
The other week, nagpunta kami dito. Meron ditong mangingisda. Pero tignan nyo naman ito. Puntahan ko. Napuntahan ko. Alam, may mangingisda rito na isang araw. Ngayon, tignan mo. Dahil nga tayo na yan. Puntahan natin. Ang ganda-ganda. Oh my God. So beautiful. With the views of the ocean, houses on top of the building, on top of the mountain. Oh, crab. Ang daming crab na maliliit. Ayan. Low tide.
that's what I do. Live life and travel is all for you.
First time I saw this.
Travel is a truth.
Yun ang first time I saw this here. That have a very beautiful views here. No? It's my first time. And the houses. This is the condo of Teresa de Punta Puerto. Ayan. Yan. Condo yan. Tapos ito naman yung mga side ko yan. Mga houses yan dito sa Terraces. Ganda, no? Pero ganda rin yan pag bumagyo. Sobrang lakas. Nakakatakot.
Happiness profound is all
Ano kaya ito? What is this? Tinatanong ko sa asawa ko kung ano to eh. Ha?
I do. Live life and travel is all for you. Live life and travel is a truth. Life moments all around, making friends along the way. Happiness profound is all I
Ang
want.
haba ng lot. Ay, sayang po. Lahat ng ano po. Public resort. Pero wala na. Sayang. Dami pa man din pumupunta diyan. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Ito. Public resort yan. Kaya lang, pinaalis na sila dito kasi may-ari ng lupa. Pero sayang, every summer pa naman, ang daming nagpupunta dyan. Through bangka. Kasi walang silang access sa road dito. Hindi kagaya ng sa amin. May sarili kaming road.
The real me inside the part that wants to be free.
bato-bato. Ang ganda, oh. No, it's just decorated lang. The truck looks good. Wow. Yeah, I know. And that way? And that one? It's small bit. I just want to see all the rocks here. This truck, galing to sa, ewan ko ba saan galing yan? Sa bundok o what? Kasi ito, bundok to eh. Ito yan. Yan, bundok na yan. Bundok na yung area na yan. Dahil low tide, kaya ganyan. Kita ito sa taas namin sa bintana. So, kaya alam ko pag naglo-low tide. Sabi ko, ay low tide ngayon. Punta tayo. Ayan, pupunta na kami. Ang ganda kasi pag low tide. Ayan, balik na kami. Babalik na kami. Maglalakad na ulit kami. Alright. Kabuuan ng Teresa. Eh, asawa ko. Hindi ko gano'n sinunod. Kasi nakabad. Pero okay lang na siguro kasi nasa dagat kami. Para makita. Ito yung condo. Ang ganda pala dito. Hindi ko nakikita to. Gilid lang. Gilid ko lang nakikita. Ay, tumutulo yung ano ko.
I share my life online, hoping someone will see.
Mag-video sana ako.
The real me
We come back tomorrow.
part that wants to be free.
Again here. In the morning.
Early. I
Yeah,
don't want to come later.
yeah the same.
I don't mind sitting under that tree up to 9 o'clock, that's fine. But I want to walk here at 6 o'clock. It's beautiful. It's easy to walk. There's no soft sand.